When you work as a team, voice communication allows you to get things done faster. However, in some circumstances, mobile phone may not be the best option for communication, especially on the job site like construction, events management and logistic transportation. The best option may be walkie-talkie. Why walkie-talkie is the best option for you? First, group communication is easy. With walkie-talkie, you no longer need to call each user separately, you can do it at a press of one button. All workers can be contacted at once. You can directly brief all workers, no need call them one by one. Second, interaction is clear. Well, unlike mobile phones, walkie-talkies is steady and loud. No matter how noisy is the place, you can also continue to communicate clearly with your team. This makes your life very easy, especially if you work in a noisy environment. Third, it's budget-friendly. You no longer need to spend more money to buy new phone. And no need worry your phone fell down causing screen broken at job site. There are no monthly charges, service contract. And you no need pay more money for calling fees. If you are not sure which walkie-talkie to choose from, please contact us now. We will offer you the best tips which model of walkie-talkie is best fit to you. Please visit our page for more information.